Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to fix when any iPhone that is tacked on an Apple logo. Now it's not accelerating, not going in a descending order or in ascending order. So how do you fix that? First and foremost guys, we will have to put this device into the DFU mode. So how would I? Just see, this is a volume, down volume, and this is a on off key. So up volume, just we will have to press up, down, keep holding till it's not going DFU mode. So keep holding, guys, keep holding. Don't worry, don't lose your patience. Just keep holding, guys, keep holding. And we can see here this device, especially now we are on Apple logo. Now see, directly it came on. Now what we will do, just we will come in especially with a special 3U tool. It will be very easy to access, and we will go for here by similar strategy. Just we'll have to either we'll have to download this firmware or import. So just I have already imported, we kept on my desktop. So now see here, just we will go with the especially quick flash mode. Here we will select this one, don't select the fix battery also during the flash, and we will go for here this one. So now we can see here it has reached on 11 to especially. Now we can see 14 to now it has just started to come with the especially new firmware. Sometimes due to bug or any error, or we have updated, or if you have updated anything, apps and application, or maybe iOS, due to that this iOS has been damaged and it has just stuck on Apple logo, and don't worry, quickly you can fix by a similar strategy. So further I cannot show you because this video will be a lengthy. This is all about in this tutorial. Easily you can fix it. Now see, it has been started to come with especially new firmware. So guys, thank you for staying till the end of this tutorial. This is the Technology Welfare, and I will be back with new more step-by-step tutorials. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share these contents. It really supports this channel, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye. Now see, then.